Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today on Veterans Day, November 11th, to let all the veterans know I'm grateful for their services, past, present, and future. Um, they have done so much to protect us and protect our freedom that I wanted to thank them all. Um, Again, thank you to all the servicemen and women for your services and our protection and freedom. And I will thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And be safe, be well. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, Crafty Angels.